In this video, I'll show you how you can change your mouse cursor in Windows 10. First, what you want to do is you want to come down here and search for mouse settings. You want to open up mouse settings, then scroll down until you find additional mouse options. Come in here. Then what you want to do is click on pointers. Now from in here, you can see some pre-selected ones that you can choose. But what you want to do is you want to press browse. Select any of these. Say you want to choose this one. Press open and click apply. Now as you can see, this is my new mouse cursor. And if you want to change it back, you can simply come up here, choose the none option, choose normal select and apply. There's also many different ones in here that you can choose from if you want, but simply press browse and find the one you like. There's many different ones and you can see the preview down here. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.